In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Go High Level, and I'll guide you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. First, you want to open your preferred browser and type Go High Level into the search bar. This will help you find the Go High Level official website quickly. Once the search results appear, look for the link that says View GoHighLevel.com and select it. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you can access all the features they offer. Once you're on the homepage, you need to locate and click on the Login to App button. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials to access your Go High Level account. After you've logged in successfully, the key area you want to focus on is the Settings section. You can typically find this option in the main dashboard on the left side of your screen. Click on Settings, and it will open a menu with different settings categories for you to choose from. For this task, you should go to the Domains option. Now that you're in the Domains section, your next step is to look for the Add New Domain button. Click on it, and you will see a prompt asking you to enter your domain name. You can input your domain here in the format of yourdomain.com, or, if preferred, www.yourdomain.com. It's important to ensure that you enter the exact domain name you own or plan to use for your Go High Level account. Once you've entered your domain name, the system will provide you with specific DNS records that you need to configure. These may include an A record, a CNAME, and possibly some TXT records. DNS records are crucial as they tell the internet where to find your web pages. The next step involves configuring these DNS records with your domain registrar. To do this, you need to log into your domain registrar's website. Your domain registrar is the company or service where you purchased your domain name. Once you're logged in, navigate to your domain's DNS settings. This can sometimes be under options labeled as Domain Management or DNS Configuration. In this section, you will need to add or update the DNS records provided by Go High Level. Properly setting up these records ensures that your domain points to your Go High Level account correctly, allowing all your systems to function seamlessly. That's it for adding a domain in Go High Level. Following these steps should make integrating your domain a smooth process, allowing you to extend your reach and presence more effectively. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your DNS records match those provided by Go High Level, and don't hesitate to reach out to their support if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.